This is OneHop. With a single API key, you can access hundreds of AI models with multi-layer redundancy so your AI services never fail and amazing pricing. Right now, for limited time, they offer Minimax M3 and Xiaomi 2.5 Pro completely for free. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, as I showed you, OneHop, how to set it up with Hermes agent and OpenCode, as well as Cloud Code and all of these things, click the link in the description to get your own API key and get started. So it's very easy to set this up. You just use their URL and the API key you will deploy on the platform, and you can access OpenAI, Anthropic, and Minimax through this process. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. So first of all, with a single API, you access hundreds of models with very easy click of a button. You can change the model you want. So when your models come, you still got this multi-layer redundancy architecture that very easily you can shift across models as new releases happen. But also, if a provider is not stable, you are going to move to the next provider, and your availability of your services, your AI services, will be always up. They also got refunds and a lot of confidence into using this. So they got 3 protocols, 11 plus providers, and it's only going to get better from here. So what's the difference with Open Router? They focus on reliability. They want to have uptime every single time. They got transparency, billing, and refundable balance. So let's go ahead and see the variety of models that they offer right now. And already we can see that Minimax M3 is very, very cheap here. We can also see the 2.7 high speed. We can sort by providers through the left panel, which is amazing. We can see Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. We can see the DeepSeek models and everything we need. They also got image models, which is amazing. So it's models that can handle images. So in our tutorial today, we're going to go ahead with Minimax M3. So click to view full details. So after you create an account, you can just go ahead and click chat, so you can chat with any model. So you can use this as a simple chat interface, and you get a variety of different models here. You can toggle thinking on and off. You can use it like you would use ChatGPT. But this is not what we are here about. We are here to create our first API key and connect it to Hermes agent and also OpenCode, so we can use it for our own projects. So go to usage, click create API key, and it will toggle us to the API key section. Click create key, call it video. I'm going to delete this key later on, and you can restrict it to specific models, which is very important if you work in an organization. You can also set credit limits. I'm going to say $1. It should expire like tomorrow. So click save, and this is the API key. After you created your API key, you want to go here, click this small icon for the eye, and then what you want to do is go and get the base URL. For starters, go back to OpenCode. You want to click on this small settings button, file, then settings, providers, and go ahead, scroll a little bit to find the custom provider. Click connect, say OneHop, and on the base URL, you want to put this URL over here. Then you want to get this authorization header, which contains your API key. You go here to header name, you keep the authorization only, put the bearer and the other API key on the right hand side, and on the models you want the model ID, which you can find from the models tab. In this case, we're going to use Minimax M3. Place the model ID, display name, click submit, and go back and go to the models. Scroll a little bit till you find your new provider, M3, hello, and let's see if it works. So as we can see, we get a response hello to hello. And if we go to the logs, we can see that we used 6,000 tokens, 1 output token. This is the pricing. You can see everything about your usage and everything you used and the latency. So you can scroll through all of these models, just keep adding them into your provider, which you just connected. They got very aggressive discounts right now across a variety of models. So what we're going to say here to OpenCode is create a small Flappy Bird game using HTML and CSS and JS. So that's does what we're going to say, the model is thinking, starts taking action, and the whole process seamlessly works. Again, what I really love about this is the amount of transparency you get through the logs and the billing. Like everything is obvious. You can set limits. It's pretty amazing. You can see your usage charts. Everything is very transparent, so you are not going to spend money that you don't have through mistakes or through leaking your API key. And the game seems to be ready at this location. Let's go ahead and copy this. Let's find the game. And obviously, Minimax is never working very well with this kind of games, but we can see here the Flappy Bird game was created. This is a model issue rather than an API provider issue. Okay, so at this point, we can actually go ahead and connect OneHop API key with Hermes agent. So open up Hermes agent desktop, and what you want to do is go here on the open settings bar. You want to click on the model tab and go into this drop down window and select custom endpoint. Set up custom endpoint, and here you need to fill in these two spots. So we go back to our API keys inside the OneHop dashboard. We click here and we get this base URL. We paste it on the field over here, and then we get our API key, which is this one. We copy it and we paste it on the second field. I already done it. Then we go back to our Hermes agent. You can also open up like a new session or whatever you want. And here you will be able to see your OneHop models, all of the models you got access to. So we can type hello Hermes, and this is how you can connect OneHop with Hermes agent and use Hermes agent to do whatever you want, whatever you need. How can I help you today? Tell me the weather in Athens, Greece, for example, and you interact with the agent. And this is pretty amazing because using this very simple process, you get access to all of these different models for very cheap prices, 90% off, pretty insane. You can test it out on the link down below in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.